Hello there, this is a guy on a couch, and I have created something that I haven't seen many of, and there are lots of them online to download, but it's this double action beard comb. Works really good, but most iterations I've seen require an outside object like a spring or a rubber band to operate. This operates entirely off 3D printed parts. This was one of my tests. I'll have my final right here. Let's go ahead and put it together and see how this thing works. It's going to take a bit of work. All you're going to need this is my small file set. This was a screw up. Didn't use glue. I didn't want to use glue, but I had to because of the serrations and stuff. So the first thing you're going to want to do, this is your lock spring. It's what catches the knife and locks it into place, or the blade, comb, whatever you want to call it. You're going to need a double file, that one. What you don't want to do is you want to clean out inside areas where it's touching the build plate so it fits. It fits into this slot right here. Okay, you want to do those corners, get them smooth. Maybe smooth out the bottom a little bit. See if it fits. Now we want, see this has a piece that sticks up, and that will notch. That needs to be up. Look at that, it fits nice. Alright, and next, you're going to have to do some work to everything because you got these. That's where it touched the build plate, that ridge, and it's a tight fit in there, so you want to get that smoothed out. A flat file that I like to use. Just on that edge. And file it down. Make a soft edge. Here, this corner, the lock. Make sure just to get all the burrs off of everything. Let's get all the excess off because it's going to want to fold over and then still cause problems. Just feel around it for anything that might catch. And some too. I did the slide in the comb part out of silver PLA, basically silk gray. I like it. Looks good. Now we're going to do a slide, same thing. Get the edges where touching the build plate. Make sure it's nice and smooth so it slides in there really easily. Back in. Up here as well. Can just use a razor knife too. Okay. That's your slide. That's front cover. Now, these should snap together really well. I think that's all the work we have to do, so let's put it together. Okay, and this is my creation. This is what I made as a tension spring. And it works really well. I made these out of brass or copper PLA, and the case is out of gunmetal gray, which I think is sweet when it's together. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, remember this part up in there. Comb, put it at the bottom. Lock in there. Now you can press the lock. Slides nice and easy, maybe a little too easy. Wow. Let's see. Now your slide. I want this notch in here to go down and it fits into this. Should goes into these grooves. So I put these grooves here, here, slides in, that. Snap right into place. Slides pretty good. Okay, now the spring. Catch it. Put it down, down. Snap this. Should just slide. catch right there. Fits in there nice. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Snaps together. Other way, dummy. Nice. Well, let's see. Let's see if my creation works. And voila! This is the A1 Tactical Beard Comb. Dual action. OTF. Tactical Beard Comb. Thanks for watching. You can, if you're interested, and you have a 3D printer or access to one, you can find it on colts3d.com. Well, I will be selling it. I don't know yet for how much. Thanks for watching.